Hello guys, this is AVJG again with another video. So today we are reviewing the Android 5.1.1 for the Android One devices. So the Google is now finally released the Android 5.1.1 for the Android One devices in India, in Indonesia and in Philippines also. So they released in India. So I get the notification yesterday like that Android 5.1.1 system update. This software update will upgrade your Micromax screen and blah blah blah. It's around 11.8 MB. I downloaded it. It's take around 2 minutes to download and 5 minutes to install. So it's system update down. I install it. I install it like this. Let's say install. So it's around, this is little update, but this little update give your phone more optimization. I show you what are the changes in about phone. So you say Android 5.1, that 1.1 nothing change here, just so they add one again. The game Flappy Bird game build number is changed, so now the build number is LMY47V. So older version is LMY470, but now it's LMY47V. They just nothing change in Android 5.1.1. They just fix the memory leak issues from the Android 5.1 and optimize the battery life. The major bug is I think the battery life bug, because Android 5.1 is not calibrating the battery very well, but Android 5.1.1 is calibrating the battery life very well. You see, I have 27% of battery use and it's 4 hours, but it's calibrated very well, and the battery life is increased up to 20 minutes. So your battery now lasts more 20 minutes than before. Another thing is that in the camera section, so they now increase the shutter speed. So and they also fix the flashlight bug. So first of all, I show you the focus. So it's focusing very fast now, and even with a close-up it's focused very well. So this is my Xiaomi power bank. I just say I take close-up and I show you the close-up photo it's take. I not update it, it's the old camera app, but if you update it, it's very fast. And another thing is when I take a photo with a flashlight in Android 5.1, this show me this type of bad photo. So now this is pretty much fixed in this. Switch on the flash and it's focused very well. It's like this. I think this bug is not completely removed, but they optimize the camera very well before now, but the phone is working very flawlessly. And even now some of the applications are crashing in the 5.1 in 5.1, but now the phone works very flawlessly, and I use my phone for last day and it's working very well. I just say battery life is increased. If you didn't get any update till now, I show you a trick how you get AOT update. So going in the setting panel, go to the application panel, and here you say Google Play Services. Just click on that and just go in the manage spaces and just clear all data from here. Go back and get in the all applications and search for here Google Service Framework. Clear data of this application and force stop this and restart your phone, and you get the notification like this, and just install your update. And if you still not get any type of OT update, I also give the update.zip link. You can download and install it manually by going into recovery mode. So you can check it out, the OTA zip. So I just leave a link for the Canvas A1, but I think the Canvas A1 zip also working with the Spice one and the Carbon one, but I don't recommend it to install the Canvas A1 zip. I also provide you Carbon Android one zip, but that time I have only captured the Canvas A1 update.zip. Nothing major change, they just increase the phone efficiency very well. So now phone is working very well. Battery life is very optimized. The camera is a major fix, so they fix camera very well. You see it's focused very well, and the flashlight bug is finally optimized. They finally removed the bug from the camera. The battery life is increased, and some of the phone crashes and a memory leak issue is also fixed in this update. And this is just a little update of 11.8 MB, and it's like around 4 to 5 minutes, so it's completely installed. Keep in mind you have up to 50% of battery life when installing this update. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Signing off.